I'm gonna do a 35.5 strike on Roblox soon. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to get it on this. It's tightening up. This should do well. Yeah, this should be good. 35.5 strike on Roblox. All right, so I'm in on those. I think puts are gonna be the play. All right, so we're at 1026. Let's see, what is SPY doing? SPY's still sitting. So likely around probably 1030 to 1040, somewhere around that 1030 to 1040. I think we see some sort of pullback on these. META is literally having a pullback at that level. Wow, this could be good too. Let's take a look at this one. 168.50, 160. All right, Roblox is starting to pull back. Let's see. There we go. Man, if I would have stuck to the 36 strike, gosh, I'd be up like 20% right now. I'm already up 9%. The thing barely dropped. Like, man, if I would have just stuck to my 36, I'd be up over 20% right now. But yeah, so far so good into this trade here. All right, so let's talk levels for Roblox. So we have strong support. We're very likely to bounce at this support. It's gonna be 36.62. Right now it's bouncing, no surprise there. So these contracts are gonna go red. They were just up like 12%. Now they're gonna go red. With that being said, we need to crack this and we need to turn this into resistance. If 35.60 cracks, these will become in the money. It's a 35.5 strike. And the next support level isn't until 34.80, 34.90s, right around here towards these bottom wicks. We'll call it 35, 34.90. So, I mean, that's where we're currently at. So, it is now 10:29. We're looking for some sort of pullback, some sort of reversal at that, 10:30, 10:40 a.m. time frame is what we're looking for. So, let's see. SPY is still sitting. Yeah, VIX is due for a move up. VIX is due for a move up to 28.10. There's a little gap to fill on the VIX right here at 28.10. It's due for a move up. It's just before it has that move up, we could see it drop to that next support. We have that support level we talked about. This is the best level to start buying puts on SPY when VIX goes to 27.75. We're 8 cents away. So I think when VIX gets to 27.75, I think that's where we could start to see some sort of bounce and push up to 2010. That's kind of my theory on this. Let's take a look at SPY here. Yeah, so we just gotta wait, man. Just gotta wait this out. It's just hit 10:30, so we got time. The reversals have been occurring 10:30, 10:40, and 11 a.m. That's where the reversals have been occurring. So I'm just gonna wait things out. It's no surprise that this is bouncing. This is very heavy support. This is where it bounced and got new highs. So there's no surprise we're bouncing here. I'm just gonna continue to hold a position. I'm not worried about being down on this right now. Man, I just missed my entry. I was about to do puts on Meta here. I just missed that entry. Damn. I'm liking puts on Meta here. All right, so I'm in on META as well. So these are my two positions right now. I really like the idea for puts on META. Same with Roblox as well. So I'm in on those. META, I got a 167.5 out of money strike. Gosh, I'm so mad I missed that entry, man. I was trying to get in like 50 cents higher. All right, so these are my two open positions. Meta 167.5 puts that expired today, and then Roblox 35.5 puts that expired today. So far, META is working out really good, man. So I submitted my order right here when it was at 168.70, and then it instantly dropped and I couldn't get filled. All right, let's take a look at SPY. SPY is just sitting. Meta just got a squeeze alert. Oh my god, man. So far what we're seeing is these stocks are ripping off support. That's what we're seeing. They have been pulling back, but they keep ripping off support. Lucid, Roblox. Man, this Roblox, man. Roblox is trying to push up. All right, so we'll see. Maybe around 10:40, maybe around 10:40 a.m. that time frame. All right, so Roblox has been holding and bouncing off that key support. It's going to try to break out here. META is looking good. I'm just going to hold both, but Roblox is going to see a little move to the upside here soon. Facebook doesn't look that bullish at all. Meta. Okay, so now 21% on Meta. Remember, I'm trying to hold these for a little bit. So I'm not looking to take like a 20% gain or anything like that. All right, let's draw out some levels. We're gonna draw out some price targets here on both of these. So this is our support right here at 168. We just cracked. We're gonna say our next level is gonna be 167, 167, and 166.30. Those are gonna be our next levels, our next targets for META. This trade's looking really phenomenal right now. This looks so bearish. Now let's do Roblox. Let's do Roblox. So for Roblox, we got some lower highs. It's on track to crack support now. That's good. This is what we needed. So for this one, targets are going to be 35 to 34.70. Once this goes under 35.50, the put options explode. They'll go from out of money to in the money. Man, this theory, guys, this theory is looking promising. The whole theory was, like I said, just wait until 10:30 to 10:40. We're approaching 10:40. Stocks are starting to slip right around that time. So, if we look at the SPY, you can see if we go to the 5-day chart, yesterday it topped exactly at, it had a nice pullback right here towards 10:50. 10:50 to 11:10 yesterday, so 10:50 to 11:10. If we go further back, it was, so right here it was 11 a.m. as well, and then right here it was 10:35. So I think on Wednesday was the earlier day, 10:35. META is printing. This could be a potential 100% gainer. I'm gonna keep holding this. META is absolutely printing right now. It's up 30% in just a couple minutes. So we've now cracked this support. Like I said, our next overall support level, it's really not even here. It's pretty much right here at 166.30. We got some big downside potential. And guys, the puts just became in the money. We're about to go in the money. So when they become in the money, that's when they start printing. When they become in the money and then deeper in the money, they start printing like crazy. So I have a 167.5 strike. The stock price is at 167.53. They're not even in the money yet. Once these become in the money, that's when the prints really start printing. So this is META is looking phenomenal right now because it's just it should hit 166.30, and if it does that, man, these puts are gonna explode. And then Roblox, we have Roblox, we just became in the money as well. So the theory's working. The theory's working on this whole situation with this theory that we're going to start to pull back around 10:30 to 11 a.m. somewhere between that time frame. So basically just start accumulating puts on rips during that time frame. I'm just going to keep on holding, guys. I'm playing for a bigger move. If you want to take some gains, you take some gains. I'm playing for more of a bigger move in a situation like this. I just feel like we're really overextended and we're due for more of a short-term pullback. But yeah, this is good. Roblox is trying to form lower highs. So see, this is what you want to see. See the strong wick, bullish support. It bounces. Look at what it's doing now. It's forming lower highs. See how it's topping out at that support. So when it tops out at that support, that's really bearish. When Roblox is forming lower highs, topping out at that support, instead of forming support, let's see how it's bottoming out and then it bounces. Now it's doing the opposite. Now it's cracking and topping out at that support. So we shouldn't have a problem going to like, 3480. I don't think we're gonna have a problem going to 3480. These puts should print, man. That whole idea, that whole theory was really on point. So yeah, I think we just gotta kind of hold these out. There we go. We're in the money on Facebook now. This meta, man, this one is really printing, man. This is crazy how well this one's gonna print. Meta looks like it's gonna do well in the Roblox puts. So far so good. And look at that. Look at that. SPY starts slipping. So what I say is 1040, man. 1030 to 1040. The theory was right, man. This is gonna be a nice green day, man. This is what I'm talking about, man. Let me know if you guys play puts. Let me know how you're doing. Any trades you're in. This is phenomenal, man. This is phenomenal. The whole theory worked out correctly. Now we're gonna take advantage of it. Look, you see these slipping now. Now people are gonna start buying puts. People are gonna start buying puts now. I'm already up 30-40% on puts. People are going to start buying puts right now because the backside is occurring. We got in before that big move. So this is what I'm talking about, man. Puts are going to absolutely print. Yeah, this is phenomenal, man. Roblox is printing like crazy now. 43% on Roblox. All right, I got to get focused and I got to get focused, guys. I'm getting a little bit too excited. I got to get focused on locking in and protecting gains. So let's focus on that now. All right, I'm just gonna shave some. I'm just gonna take some. I'm just gonna take some here. Let's see, Roblox. Let's see. So I'm just gonna take some. Let me give it a sec. Roblox. What are we at? 30. Let me give it a second. Roblox 3550. All right, so I sold 1/3 of puts here. So I exited 1/3 of my positions here. So that's 33%. I'm still holding 67%. So yeah, lock in some profits here. Always secure some profits. I still think we're really bearish, but always secure some profits. I sold 1/3 here, so I'm still holding 67% of the position left. So that's like if you put 1,000 in, then lock in like, $300-$400. Or you can just do half. You can do half. You could do 500. Look at that. Look at my theory, man. Remember the theory? The theory was that VIX was gonna bounce at 2770s, and then we're gonna start to pull. We're gonna start to rip back up to fill this gap. There was a gap to fill in the VIX right here at 2790, and I think there was another gap to fill in the VIX right here at 20. What was it, like 20? Let me double check this. Yeah, the theory worked perfectly, man. This played out 100% perfectly. So there was a gap to fill in the VIX at 2790. Yeah, 2790. And I think at 2810, 2815 as well. Theory worked out perfectly. This is phenomenal, man. This is so good. This is exactly what we expected. This is perfect, man. Gosh, SPY is so much downside. But yeah, guys, start seriously though, like lock in some profits, man. Like these are phenomenal gains. Like this is great. High size did well. This is perfect. Let's see, META 167. So for META, 166.30. Yeah, looks like we're going 166.30 on these. Gosh, this one looks so bearish, man. This META just looks terrible. All right, guys, I'm locking in more gains here for 40%. I sold 20% more. So lock in gains here. All right, guys, I'm completely out of Roblox. And for META, let's see, I'm getting ready to sell as well. Okay, META, I'm gonna hold a little bit. I'm completely out of Roblox. I'm still in META. If we push up here, I'm just gonna get out. So on average, on these wins, they've been 30% gainers. At the peak, META was a little bit more. META was like a 35-40% gainer. At the peak, I was up 60% on that. Roblox was an average win of 30%. I'm still in on META. I got completely out of Roblox. I'm more bearish on META, but both look bearish. All right, let's see how SPY is looking. SPY's just ripping up. We're at 1048. Just gonna cut this, man. I think we're going lower, but I'm happy. I'm just gonna cut this. Boom, out like that. So there we go, guys. So that was it, man. That was it. So that was it, man. Congratulations, you guys played that. I hope you learned from it. Those were the killer trades for the day, man. This was my biggest. This was like those are like some of the best trades that I made this week. Like basically instant 40% gainers. So there we go. So I'm completely out of META. I'm completely out of Roblox. Average win on both of those. META was a little higher, basically 40%. Roblox was an average win of 30%.